Warm regards from Team SalesIQ. In this video, we'll learn how to configure and map Zia Skills to your Zoho bot. Well, by now, you would have been familiarized with the drill, which is navigate to Settings, Zoho bot and click Add. Then specify a name and a brief description for your bot. Then choose the website on which the bot is to be deployed, and then choose the departments the bot is to serve. Choose the triggering criteria and the instance at which the bot should step up and interact with the visitors. Configure bot's work hours and then choose how long the bot typing status is to be shown. Enable Allow Handoff if required. And finally, choose Zia Skills as the development platform. If you've already created Zia Skills, they'll be listed down in the skill name drop box from which you can choose one and map it to your Zoho bot. Else, you can also choose to create a new skill, specify a name, description, and a trigger response in the JSON format and click Create. Then click Access Zia Skills console. Then you'll be redirected to the Zia Skills platform. You'll be able to define the functionalities of Zia Skills by feeding a set of actions to the skills. One action is capable of handling multiple aspects of a conversation. To add an action, click on Customize and then Add Action. Specify a name and then either choose Answer a question or Perform an operation. Answer a question action can be chosen when you want the Zia skill to answer visitor questions textually with predefined static answers. But if you want Zia skills to perform dynamic operations, you can either go with the Perform an operation option, or if you would want the operation to be performed based on data gathered about the particular visitor by SalesIQ, you can choose Answer a question and then construct answer by fetching data. After choosing the mode of answering, specify how the question is to be invoked and also define an answer for the question. If you would want Zia to perform dynamic operations, you can use the parameters to collect and store known information that the visitor will give away during the conversation. To make sure that you don't miss out other prime data that the visitor might give away during the conversation, you can use the params loader function. In the context handler function, you can define how you expect Zia to gather the input that visitor would give away and text back contextually. Execution function will let you define the way that you want Zia skills to conclude a particular action. And you'll be all set. To view the Zia skills that you already created, click on the back button. To edit a Zia skill, click on View Details. Click Edit in the top right corner to edit a particular Zia skills details. As you saw, Vito doesn't have a profile picture. Unlike the rest of his colleagues, I am going to give her one. Then click Save. You can also choose to edit the actions that you've defined for a Zia skill at any point of time. Once done, click Update to publish the Zia skill that you just created. Then navigate back to your SalesIQ and click Save to get the bot to action. Intriguing, is it? Then without further ado, configure Zoho bot Zia skill integration right away. Thank you and stay tuned for more.